Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be sharing with you how to monetize your blog or your business online. But before I do that, please give this video a like and a subscribe to this channel for more videos. Now, with this list, I'm going to be sharing with you all the different ways that you can make money with your blog or your business online. Now, this doesn't mean that you need a blog, but a good way to house everything and have all your different income streams coming in is through a blog, because a blog can be found on Google. If someone is searching for something, they have a problem, they need a solution, they search on Google, you pop up and you're found. You have all these offers that you have to solve their problem, and you can make money all kinds of different ways this way, right? So number one on my list is going to be service-based, offering a service. So this has been around forever. You're either in a service-based business or you are in a commerce, you're selling something, right? So service-based, you are exchanging your time for money. This comes to be an active income source. Sky is the limit. There's all kinds of services you can offer online or through your blog. So if you are into graphics, you could do graphic design. If you're a great writer, you could do copywriting. You could offer Facebook ad services, all kinds of different services that you could offer on your blog. The second one on my list is going to be coaching and consulting. Coaching and consulting is really popular now. The two are kind of intertwined with the words, but they are quite different from each other. So a consultant can go in basically and do something for you. If you have something broken on your website, your consultant not only can consult you, but they can go in and fix it up for you. Now, a coach like similar to like a football coach, the football coach is giving you the playbook, but they aren't really the ones that are going to go in. They can't go into the game, right? So similar with like a life coach, they can tell you, but it's up to you to implement what to do. This form of income is also active because you are exchanging your time for money. So if you are doing like offering one-on-one calls through your coaching or your consulting, then you're obviously exchanging your time for money. Now, some people have long monthly contracts that go on, so it could be an active but recurring income source. Third way to make money through your blog or your business online is by running a mastermind. Masterminds can be done with other people, other businesses that you can collaborate with, or it could just be you and offering to several groups of people that you are doing a mastermind with. It could be just a one-time mastermind, or it could be a monthly mastermind. So if you have like a 10-month mastermind with some people, then you could have that income coming in for the next 10 months. This is recurring. Again, this is an active income source because you are going to be exchanging your time for money. So with a mastermind, you can help a ton of people at the same time, not just one-on-one work. The fourth one on my list is going to be doing a live event. Now, a live event obviously is going to be in person live, but the way to make the money is going to be online. So you can sell your tickets through your blog, or you don't have to have your blog, but like I said, again, it's a good way to get that person who found you to obviously see what you have to offer. So having a live event, this is going to be another form of active income, because obviously you have to collect that money and then do the live event in front of people. Live events are very good for accumulating a big amount of money all at once. The fifth way to make money, one of my favorites, is through sponsorships. You can do sponsorships with your blog where you are working with a brand to write a little about their company or their new product that they have, and some of the times you are doing a photo shoot for them also, and you get paid. So with the sponsorship, you are doing the write-up, you're doing the photos, and you are leveraging your audience. That's what the brand wants, because you already have a targeted audience that they can leverage and use that's already highly targeted, versus them trying to find that specific audience through like running a Facebook ad or a Google ad. You already have that type of audience that they want. Now you can also do this kind of sponsorship through social media like Instagram. So this would be called like an influencer gig that way. So with the sponsorship monetization way, this is another form of active income, because you are doing it once and then the brand is going to pay you after it's been accomplished. Number 6 on the list is going to be cost per click ads, or cost per 1,000 impression ads. Basically, you will need a blog for this. This is how you're going to create passive income. Now you can do this through Google AdSense. Simply you paste a code on your website and then you can start running these ads from Google, and you get paid per impression or per click. The good thing about this is when your blog starts receiving a ton of traffic, then you can make a lot of money this way. But to begin with, you're probably going to make a few cents. When your traffic is high, when your traffic starts getting higher and higher, then you start getting paid more. And this way is all very passive. You don't even have to do anything. You just have the ads running on your blog and you are getting paid. Great way for passive income that you can get paid for years to come, so long as people find your blog. Number 7 is going to be selling your own ad space. Now this is similar to like running a Google AdSense, except you are the one that is leveraging running ads for certain people. So you could work with different brands, putting their banner on your website, and you could do a monthly contract with them, or the same with like cost per click or cost per impression that you are doing, and they pay you based on what you have agreed. Now this is you set it up once, and if you have a contract with them for several months, then you can make the money very passively, because you only set it up and it's just gonna keep on going. Obviously, to run this kind of income monetization way is that you have to have a lot of traffic coming into your blog. Number 8 is going to be selling a product, whether it is a digital product or a actual physical product that you ship out. Now, a digital product, you could do a bunch of different downloadables. Is very popular. If you are doing any kind of downloadable digital stuff, then I recommend using Adobe Creative Cloud for this. So you can do your videos on there, you can do your graphic work on there, you could even do magazines, brochures, any kind of digital thing. You can do that with Adobe Creative Cloud. Now, if you are doing a physical product, you could actually do something like drop shipping. Drop shipping is when you don't necessarily own the stuff, the product that you are selling. You are getting it from another company who ships it out to your customer. You'd have to place that order once that customer places the order from you, and then the dropshipper handles all the fulfillment and everything. Now, I have a blog post all about this stuff, and I'll post a link down below for it. Number 9 on the list is going to be selling a course. The hottest thing right now is selling a course. You don't need to have any kind of college experience or anything. A lot of people are actually substituting college with courses, because with college you're spending thousands of dollars on things that are not relevant anymore, right? Especially if you are in the digital niche. Now, with a course, you can learn everything. People are selling Facebook ads courses. People are selling how to start a business course, all kinds, any kind. Like if you are a health coach, you can sell a weight loss coaching program. The sky is the limit. Anything sells, so long as you have done your research on your audience and your offer and the problem that you are trying to solve for them. Number 10 is going to be selling a membership. So the membership could be like a course that's ongoing, or it could be something where you show up once a week to a group of people that have paid for your membership, or it could be once a month that you show up for accountability. Anything. So a membership example would be a gym, right? You pay for a gym every single month to go, use the equipment. Now, the same with like Netflix, you're paying into a subscription with Netflix. So these are different examples of types of memberships that you could do. So depending on how you are running your membership, if you've already done it and it's just ongoing, then that could be a passive income source for you. If you are doing something different every single month, then that is going to be an active income source, but it is going to be recurring. So if you are like, you've already done it, so like selling a course and selling a product, those are also passive income monetization ways. Now, another form of passive income is going to be selling a digital book. Now, if you are self-publishing a digital book yourself, then you can take all the profits for it versus having being published by some publisher, right? So you could actually place this book on Amazon and leverage Amazon's traffic for you, and you can also have it on your blog because people are going to find you and be able to have the option to buy your stuff. The 12th way to make money with your blog is going to be network marketing. Now, I know a lot of people have very bad stigma about network marketing because a lot of people do it wrong, but if you conduct it through a blog, you're simply sharing good value, and then you can place your links to your network marketing products this way. So if you were in the makeup niche, your network marketing company is with makeup and beauty and stuff. So you have a beauty blog and you can suggest stuff and post the links to your network marketing products this way. And the good thing about network marketing is that when someone places a order with you, they're forever your customer. So if any orders that they do in the future, you're going to get the commission for that. A lot of network marketing companies actually have auto ship every single month. So if this person is subscribed to that, then you're going to get that monthly recurring income. Now, most network marketing companies also will send out their own email. So if they come out with a new product and they're telling that customer of yours that they have this new product, customer places that order and you get the commission for it. So you get the commission forever with your network marketing company. So this is a great way to monetize your blog with, because forever you will get paid so long as you have customers coming in and placing an order. Now, number 13 on my list is going to be my favorite way, which is affiliate marketing. This is also a passive way, but very similar to network marketing, except you aren't tied to one business. You can be an affiliate for many businesses out there. And the good thing with affiliate marketing, just like network marketing, is that you are not handling the fulfillment. You are just selling the product and making the commission for it. So you are not doing returns, you are not doing customer service, any of that, just selling it, making the commission. Now, affiliate marketing has 10% to 75% commissions depending on the brand. Now, a good one to be in would be something that pays for 40% or a recurring monthly commission or a high ticket affiliate product. Now, these are my top 13 lists to monetize your blog or your business online. Some of these ways that you do need a blog, other ones you can do it with just social media and whatnot. Now, I have a full blog post all about what I just talked about with more detail about it. And if you want to read more about that, just click the link down below. Also, if you haven't started your blog yet, I do have links within that blog to get started on your own blog. So if you have any other ways to make money with your blog or business online, feel free to drop it in the comments down below. Make sure you give this video a like and a subscribe to this channel for more videos on digital marketing and entrepreneurship.